to Jude's Weekly Wisdom. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cheese crisps. And the only ingredients you need is Parmesan cheese. In your equipment, you need a half a teaspoon and just a little. You can make it big, but I would say just a little. It depends how many you would want to make. If you want to make a lot, I would say little, like this one. You want your half teaspoon over, like a little overflowing. When you're done with all of your cheese places, you put them in the oven for 400 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Here's a tip. If you don't want to use the little cookie cutters, you can just spread them around and then you can cook them, and then you can like break them, or you can just cut them up. Always gotta be safety first. Now, when they're out, you can just enjoy. Thanks for watching Jude's Weekly Wisdom. See you next week.